Too often our clients feel that their problems can't be solved. Unless they fit into a hospital or rehab box, they feel that there's nothing out there for them. But we know the traditional approach doesn't work for everyone. It's simply not the only way.
I ran my own private practice in Harley Street, London for many years and found it incredibly difficult to provide an environment for my patients that was nurturing, personal, and gave them the individual support that they needed. I believe there's no better environment for care and recovery than in your own home. For me, that's where the Brevin journey began.
Treatment at home is a fantastic option. It's discreet and gives patients the safety, the privacy, the comfort and familiarity they need to have the best chance of recovery.
Mental ill health can make unfamiliar situations seem more frightening than they really are. A clinical hospital setting can often exacerbate the sense of isolation and vulnerability that patients suffer during these episodes. Being treated by a team of experts surrounded by loved ones, as well as familiar and cherished belongings, undoubtedly aids recovery.
What we offer is a personal touch. There is no distraction from other patients or a busy institution.
It's about providing a very comprehensive and highly personalised treatment for people who are struggling with a range of psychological problems.
Trying to get a loved one well can be really difficult and stressful for families. They don't know who or where to turn to for help. We can see the real emotions that people grapple with. There is concern, frustration, anxiety, heartache and despair.
Brevin can help. We approach things differently. We tirelessly explore problems over and over again until we reach a solution.
Above all, we're always there for you. We bring the clinic to you.
With addiction, the hardest part for a patient is to start the treatment process. Putting your trust in a service that offers you the possibility of doing things differently. That can be an enormous hurdle to overcome.
We understand that finding the right mental health care or addictions treatment for yourself or a family member is daunting. All care provided by Brevin is unique and is coordinated by a designated case manager. These case managers play a vital role in easing the burden for all those involved and provide essential breathing space for families and carers alike.
We understand what patients have in common with certain psychological conditions, but we go deeper than that. It's the factors that make the patient unique and influence their illness that are key to aiding their recovery.
The way Brevin works is to bring a team of specialists together who can work intuitively to provide the utmost level of care in a home environment. An intimate relationship exists between poor sleep and poor mental and physical ill health, and my role is to provide the individual with the tools to be able to achieve good quality sleep so that they can improve their mental and physical health.
Everybody knows that having a good diet can be beneficial for a number of health concerns, but specifically for mental health and addiction, it can make the individual feel much better through the recovery process. It can make them feel more energized, less anxious, less depressed. That part of the treatment strategy at Brevin, the most powerful, the fact that it's actually designed specifically for that person.
Graded exercise is a step-by-step approach to making sure that on your road to recovery, you're doing the right things at the right time. This is about getting somebody moving more freely so that they actually feel better. They feel, sort of a sense of sort of freedom in the way that they sort of move.
Research shows that the most important aspect in trauma recovery is having a good support network. We provide an excellent professional resource at Brevin. The emphasis is 100% on you.
Every case is different, but our approach remains completely consistent. We relentlessly review and reassess the best way to address our clients' difficulties.
How would you describe Brevin?
Compassionate.
Clinical expertise.
Sincere.
Intuitive.
Innovative.
Personalised.
Discreet.
Effective.
Unique.
It boils down to this. Brevin constantly strives to achieve the best possible outcomes for our clients and their families, so everyone involved can move towards a healthier and more optimistic future.